Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the
Update lang. Sorry, na-miss ko kayong lahat.
Mommy, look at me.
Ang daming isda. Dinala ko muna itong isda dito sa pet store. Kasi di ba nagkasakit ako? So,
Can I show them?
ang galing hindi galing.
I wanna show.
Nagkasakit ako.
Look at this black
So,
one.
ayan, hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog at hindi ako makasupport. Kaya ayan guys, ang ganda ng mga isda.
Whoa, a purple fish. Purple.
Ayan, dinala ko muna sa saglit dito.
It's hiding under
Kaya
the rock.
ayan, tingin-tingin pag may time. Pagod na kabi, kamusta kayo guys?
Okay, I was just checking if they have
Kamusta kayo?
a turtle.
May mga cockroaches
Mom,
din
look at this
dito.
tortoise.
Cockroach.
Mommy, a
Look na.
tortoise.
Look
It's a redfoot tortoise.
dinala ko siya dito
Mommy,
sa pet store.
he's
Ayan
not.
guys, na-miss ko kayo. Sobra.
I'm scared he's gonna jump at me. What is that?
Wala mag-video kaya
Mommy,
tinatago
look up
ko.
there. What is it?
Lizard.
Oh yeah. There's nothing
Kahit na
here.
medyo hina pa ako, hindi ko pa masyado
Look
kaya.
at Mommy, the hermit crab.
Ay, ayun o. Laki pala ng hermit crab. Sorry. Sorry guys.
Hermit crab.
Ano ba to?
I'm gonna look at this.
Kaya ayan guys, salamat sa inyo guys sa mga nagtanong kung kamusta ako, kung kamusta ang aking
Mommy, a
pakiramdam.
chameleon.
Ayan.
Chameleon.
Oo nga, may kambing
Look
lang.
at this chameleon.
There's your turtle here.
Hi,
there's all
Franklin's
the birds.
brother. Hi, Franklin's brother. Oh, look at them stuck in the filter. Two of them are stuck in the filter.
I think they're getting warm. They're not warm.
Cute. It's adorable.
Ayan. There, look at the bird bee, oh. Ayan. So, tatlong linggo halos ako hindi nakalabas, nakalakad. So, ayan.
Show your friends the birds.
There's more, oh. And there's a tarantula.
What?
Different tarantula. So, lovebirds ito. Lovebird. Not a guinea pig, it's a chinchilla. Sorry.
So big
It's a
and
chinchilla.
fluffy.
Like a big mouse, but they're running, oh. Ayan, oh.
And a
It's
pigeon.
a chinchilla. Para siyang malaking daga.
I want to hold down.
No, you can't. Ano ka?
Of course. Mommy, it's a guinea pig.
Pinipig daw.
Bird?
Ito, mga daga. Ito, hamster. Ano ka?
Hamster. They're so adorable.
Hindi ko anak ko nakikita nila. Bawal kasi mag-video. Bawal videohan. Pero update lang ako. Ayan guys. Hamster. Dwarf hamster ang tawag
Mommy,
dyan.
there's one sitting here.
Ayan guys, kaya na-miss ko kayo ng sobra. Salamat sa inyo.
Hamster toy.
Sa pag-ano sa akin, sa pag-alala, paghanap-hanap sa akin. Salamat. Salamat sa inyo. Ito mga pagkain na ito. Ano, we're gonna go that way.
Mom, there's a rat. It's on the
Ano?
other side.
Wait lang, there's somebody there eh. Oo. So, ayan. Kasama ko yung aking boyfriend. Aking tungkod. Ayan, agad. At doon, and sasama tayo. Chila.
He's so adorable. I want to name it Fluffy if I got one.
Ay, I don't wanna pet like that.
I want to name it Fluffy.
Meron pa doon eh. Malaking guinea pig. Malaking guinea pig. Ayun oh, nasa loob siya.
Mommy, these like possums? Are these possums? Are these possums?
Pasal naman dyan.
Mom, there's one on the water. They're
Mga
wild.
daga.
Oh my gosh, there's so much
Mga
in
meow
there.
mouse.
There's so
Yung
many
mga
in there.
ini-experiment. Okay, closer naman anak. Gusto ko naman.
Mine. Possum.
It's not a possum. It's a ferret. Ferret.
Why can you have
Ito,
ferrets?
inaalagaan din ang ferret.
Dog pads.
Yan, oh.
Dog pads.
Ayan, ayan. Ayan, oh. Let me go back to the thing. To the see, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda. Ito, very rare lang ito, guys.
Hey guys.
Itong chochila na ito.
Mommy, I think this
Na male and female, hindi nila pinagsasama. Oh, there's the bird mo, oh. Ayan, guys. Ayan, guys. Hanggang dito na lang tayo muna. At,
I like this pretty.
iipat ang mga ibon.
Why is there baby toys in there?
Yan, matatalino din to mga ibon na to. Diba kinukulayan na lang nila? Kinukulayan na lang nila minsan. This is a parrot yata. Green chick. Kunyor? Kunyor daw. Ah, ito pala sa taas.
Oh,
Ayan guys.
I love them.
Ay, meron din pala dito sa baba. Yatay. Ang mamahal guys, ha? 800. 1,000. Oh my God.
Australian water.
No, that's not nothing in there. That's all aquarium. Dati mong pagong.
Ah.
They're all active, anak.
Who's Goku? He's big.
Ayan, guys. There's one more there.
Let me see the other side.
Ayan, guys.
Mom, can I? Oh, look at that one.
Tingnan mo yung mga butik dito.
A snake. Snake.
Wow. Ayan, guys. Thank you, guys. I love you and I miss you. Tignan mo yung mga butiki, oh. Kumpul-kumpul sila. Para tayo niya sa kanya sa YT. Sana all. Kumpul-kumpul. I love you all, guys. I miss you so much. Kapag kaya ko na, I'm gonna keep on supporting everybody again.
One more.
I know.
Look at them. These look like babies.
Gecko. There's gecko. Kaya ayan. Thank you, thank you. Sana si Tarantula. May Tarantula sila dito. I love you all, guys. Salamat sa inyong
Oh, the
pag-support.
baby.
Salamat sa pag-ano. Ano yung sila yung isa?
Mom.
Kaya ayan. Love you all. Thank you.
Living life every day